My dreams coming true. Ain't nothing, stayed down till I came up with my niggas. Right or wrong, forever right, you know what's up with me, nigga. Never change on my gang, yeah, I'm stuck with my niggas. When I'm touchable, come run the money up with me, nigga. When ain't nothing, stayed down till I came up with my niggas. Right.
Yo, what's poppin', Supremekati gang? It's your boy, Supremekati, man. We back in the cut with some more reaction videos. Now, oh, for real, drop a like on this video, bro. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. Only because we the livest niggas doing this. All my videos live, entertaining, authentic, bro. If you having a bad day and you come to one of my videos, it's guaranteed to get lifted, my nigga. No matter how hard you is, no matter how soft you is, you gonna watch my video and be like, man, this little nigga cool, bro. You know what I'm saying? Or you gonna laugh at something. You know what I'm saying? Because we just live. Now, I know y'all Louisiana boys happy because we back with some more y'all action. We got my boy Russell T. We got WNC WOP BEZZY back on it. Now, I know how that boy WOP coming. Get right, bitch. Bitch. Yeah, 6 shots. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I know how he coming. But now, it's all about seeing how my boy Russell T coming. So I'm gonna put the original video link down in the description down below. To the people that's new to my channel, bro, don't tell me stop pausing so much. You know what I'm saying? Because my nigga, I don't like pausing either, bro. You know what I'm saying? But I have to. Because YouTube took, I got 800 videos uploaded. YouTube then probably took like 50 of them. Just off copyrights and all that. My nigga, and now with this, the way they just updated it, no matter if I pause or not, I still can get copyright strikes. I get them every day. I get a copyright strike like I breathe, bro. I promise you. Like, I'll be like, copyright strike. Copyright strike. I'll be like, God, can I breathe? You know, can I live, my nigga? So look, if I pause a lot, don't be in the comments on your period, bro. Go change your tampon or some shit. But anyways, we finna get into the video. Y'all boys know the editing method. Let's get it, man. Gang. Look like it finna glitch. I hope it don't glitch, my nigga. If the video get the glitch and it's focused on my reaction and the audio, we gonna go crazy. Off rip. Nah, I thought that was what's the name. I thought this boy Mike Epps. I was about to say y'all doing something we don't know about. You got Mike Epps out there in the cut. You know what I'm saying? But let's see how they come.
I just got a call from Juicy, say it's game time. Game changer, bitch, I'm clutch from the free throw line. And when I'm clutching, I can knock them off 3 at a time. My stroke good, ex your bitch, my dick be in her mind. I just cock it and niggas begin to testify. You ain't real, you ain't loyal, bitch, your life a lie.
That boy said he what and cock it and niggas begin to test.
Niggas begin to testify.
We break down all bars over here.
Your bitch, my dick be in her mind. Look, I just cock it and niggas begin to testify.
Oh, hey, that's why I caught it. My niggas say he just cock it and niggas begin to testify. You know what I'm saying? Niggas get up there and get telling what all I seen was a damn 12 gauge go off. You know what I'm saying? And the nigga leg flew that way. His arm flew that way, and then I just went back to the car. So you ain't see what else happened? Nah, I just seen some arms and some legs fly and shit. You know what I'm saying? Like facts, nigga, alright, okay.
You ain't real, you ain't loyal, bitch, your life a lie. Cause all you do is talk about how you gon' kill something. Stay with your mom, man, you always trying to steal something. Lit boy brains, doing lit boy things. My life, you on exchange, but you lit niggas can't hang, no. Shout out to Clee, shake back and we gon' hold it down. Want your boys to lay you down if you won't play around, bitch.
Hey, it's something about y'all. Hey, it's something about y'all boys vibe out there in that Rouge or Louisiana, wherever he coming from. I don't know if he coming out the Rouge. I don't know if he coming out of Lafayette. All I know is he coming out the boot. You know what I'm saying? It's something about y'all niggas beats. Like they all got that specific. If it ain't a slow song with that wah wah wah, that noise in it, it got this sound in it, bro. Like them. What's it called, bro? Let me. I'm gonna make the noise.
Lay you down if you won't play around, bitch.
I can't even get the noise, bro. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all niggas know what I'm talking about. It's something about them niggas, and this reminded me of some old Boosie back there. You know, that's not that swerve, right? Not what is it called? Loose as a goose, don't get me started. It remind me of that vibe back there. It sounds like an OG song. Yeah. Talk. Yeah.
Fucking with the team and get your ass killed. Fucking with my fam and get your ass killed. Fucking with my money, get your ass killed. Catch your ass nigga, send a fly through your way. Then I'm being your yard like the front gate. Walk a nigga down, all at his lunch break. You ever cross that line and strictly gun?
That boy say walk a nigga down at his lunch break? Damn, so bro ain't even get a chance to get his check. You gonna smack a nigga at the hardest day of work? Y'all niggas ain't got no heart.
For me, then I'm being your yard like the front gate. Walk a nigga down, all that is lunch break. You ever?
That boy say walk a nigga down, all that is lunch break. Ain't that boy? I'd be so mad if I just put in some hours work and something happen and I don't get that check. But hey, that's a bad. Hey, you going outside if you go to work and then, damn boy. Hey man, I'd be mad.
Strictly gunplay. Play on my top, that saddest battle.
God damn. Bro, hold on, bro. Hey, I'ma stop pausing so much. Look how they did this man. Boy, he ain't get say nothing. You ever cross that line of strictly gunplay? Play on my top, that saddest battle. Sunday in that ball. Nigga ain't say nothing.
Hold on, I'm still with the bullshit, bitch. You never was. You tripping off your bitch, boy. You can have your gun. You better come with all that chest and you gon' feel it slug. Acting like you drunk up in this bitch and you won't need a club. My Glock is always loaded like.
You know they on something. They got a little man out here punching on you, dog. I feel so disrespectful.
All that chest and you gon' feel it slug. Acting like you drunk up in this bitch and you won't need a club. And bitch.
They got a little man out here throwing them rocks at your ass. You should have gave him that quarter when he asked for it. That nigga throwing them all at your ass. And you better not hit him back. Facts, nigga.
Like it's full of drugs.
Yeah. And that boy running something up. Yeah.
Nigga robbed him, he was broke. I thought he had the plug. How about you moving that way, but bitch you dying in blood.
Yeah. Shit. Yo, hey, I'm back up on it. Yeah. Don't play with me. Yeah.
Fucking with the team and get your ass killed.
Boy got the monkey nuts out there. Yeah.
My money, get your ass killed. Catch your ass, hit the center, fly through your wall.
Yeah. Oh boy, they did your ass bad. Nigga got on some white forces by your head too.
Hit the center, fly through your wall.
You better not get no blood on his shoes. He gonna kick your ass. Them boy got the forces on by your head. He about to kick the shit out your ass. You know you down bad when a nigga watch you get up. Nigga beat, bro. Bro, I ain't record this shit. All I know is I recorded this shit. Hey, you know you down bad when a nigga, when a nigga beat your ass and watch you get up. You down bad, my nigga. Hey, you the one I said. When a nigga beat your ass, just stand over you while you get up. You nigga beat, you know you out bad, my nigga. But look, off real, the song go crazy. I'm rocking both of them niggas vibe. I'm getting that old Boosie Wavy vibe that back in the day that loose as a goose, or is that if you are not that if you are that ain't even him. That's Stanky Leg. Who that is? I'm about to say the wrong damn shit. That I'm loose as a goose, don't get me started. It's another white me down. That's what it is. That white me down. Fresh kick, fresh jack, that nigga. Yeah. Hey, I know all about it, but my mama from the woods, you know what I'm saying? So I grew up around it, bro. I grew up listening to it out there, all that. You know what I'm saying? That's why I rock y'all niggas so heavy. Y'all boys show so much love, bro. It's crazy. Like, I'm messing with the music, the lingo, all that, my nigga. WOP BEZZY did his thing, my nigga Russell did his thing. If you rockin' with the original, link will be in the description down below. Hit me on my social media, all links in the description down below. Drop a like on this video, bro. Let's pipe it up. We continue to turn up, join the family. We trying to hit 300K. I be talking fast as hell, boy, I swear. I be running my shit. But anyways, man, I gotta bring out boys some more videos. So I know they gotta stop the video. Let's get it, man.
Nigga, know the 50,000 on my wrist. Every nigga with me real rich. Niggas having pressure about the bitch. I got all my cases dismissed. I don't go back and forth on the internet. Real niggas don't get into that. I'm tryna get it on my for real. I'm tryna get it on my. Me and my dogs, we tryna run your house.